Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a soft hotel idli at your home. So for the idli what you need, here I soaked the rice. So I took 4 cup of idli rice and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds and I soaked this rice overnight, and here I soaked the urud dal. So this is also overnight, guys. So we have to soak at least 5 hours. Then only we will get the soft idli. So let's start. Today I'm going to grind this batter in the grinder. If you don't have the grinder, you can grind it in the mixie also. So yeah, so let's start the recipe. So this is the grinder, guys, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this urud dal. So I'm showing you step by step. So I'm going to add all the urud dal here. I added the urud dal and I'm going to grind. So in between we have to add little bit water. So we have to grind this batter for 20 to 25 minutes. Can you see the fluffiness in the urud dal batter? So after 10 to 15 minutes, we have to add little bit of water. Not too much, only little bit, and we have to grind this one, and we have to take all the stuffs like this. So the urud dal batter is ready, guys, and I put that rice in the grinder. Here I added the rice and we have to grind this one for at least 15 to 20 minutes by adding lukewarm water. Then only the batter will be fermented. So take a small bowl of water and in this I am going to add this much of urud dal batter. So can you see it's not floating. So yeah, that means the batter is perfectly done. And after adding the rice batter, we have to mix this one with our hand. So I will show you. So after 10 to 15 minutes, here I am adding the warm water, guys. We have to add the warm water only while grinding the rice batter. So I grind that rice batter for 20 to 25 minutes by adding little bit of lukewarm water, and I added little bit of salt also. Then only we will get the fluffy batter like this. And now it's time to do with our hand. So we have to mix this batter with our hand for 5 minutes, guys. Then only we will get the fluffy idli like hotel. So can you see we have to do like this. Don't use spoon or any ladle. Our hand is the best. It gives a nice heat in the idli batter. If you want, you can wear the gloves, but I washed my hand many times today. So yeah. So the batter is ready, guys, and if the batter has to be fermented for up to 8 to 10 hours, yeah. So tomorrow morning I will show you the idli. So I'm making this idli for dinner. So can you see, guys, the batter is fully fermented, and I'm going to mix this batter very well. You can use your hand or ladle, anything. So it's time to pour the idli batter. I pour the idli batter in all the stand. We have to cook this idli for 5 to 10 minutes until it's nicely cooked. So yeah. And I'm going to cover this one with the lid. So hot idli is ready and it's very soft, and it's time to put it in the serving plate. So here is the idli, and here I prepared the coconut chutney, and we have a sambar. So idli is ready, guys, and I put it in the serving plate. And so this is a quick video of how to make a soft idli at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. And here is podi. Enjoy.